Water conservation is a vital part of the water crisis. The average 5-minute shower that a person takes about 20 gallons of water, with 40 if we double the time to 10 minutes. About 5 gallons of water are wasted if we leave the water running while brushing our teeth. And the average family of 4 uses 800 gallons of water a week just by flushing the toilet. About 30 to 60% of urban fresh water is used on lawns, which is most of it is wasted due to poor timing and application. And because of global warming, scientists say that the chances of the southwest United States experiencing a decade-long drought is about 50%, and the chances of a mega drought over the next 30 years ranges from 20 to 50% over the next century. There have been different types of solutions for water conservation in the home. Many of these solutions involve a water monitor that would be connected to a home's main water line that would be able to detect leaks or disturbances in the water usage. Such examples are NetWater, which is a monitor that tells a family how much water they've been using in which room. There is also Droplet, which is also another water monitor but can detect the usage and intensity of water by listening for the sound of running water to inform a user that water is still being used. And there is also Flow, which is a device that connects to a home's water main to calculate the water usage, and it helps users set goals to minimize water usage. But it's just goals for a user to keep in mind, not to shut off whenever they get to a goal. The device also detects leaks, as do the others, and it automatically shuts off the main water if a catastrophic leak should occur. While all these water monitors are useful for measuring a water usage and any kind of leaks that should occur within a house or a building, they only tell users about water problems. Our solution would be another type of water monitor, but in this case it should be able to take the next step and solve wasteful water practices by automatically shutting off an individual water stream according to the limits that the user inputs. For example, we would have the user enter in the amount of water that they'd like to use for a specific activity, such as washing the dishes or brushing their teeth or showering, and we have our monitor measure that and shut off the individual water supply once the user has reached their limit. In that case, the user would be able to understand that how much water that they've been using and be more mindful about how much water that they have been using in the past. Here, as you can see, each pipeline to a non-essential appliance such as a shower or an external faucet or plumbing for pools can be fitted with a water flow meter. Each monitor would have a water shutoff valve on its end closest to the water main that would shut off the water supply to the given appliance. Each valve's limit could be set and viewed on a wireless display mounted in the home, similar to a thermostat. This receiver could also warn the user when limits are approaching through the display and offer password or PIN protection. This would allow the owner of the home to enforce and control the extent to which they conserve water in their home or other buildings. The installation of the flow meters could be done at many points along the pipe to an appliance, making them easier to install. Although, if a pipe is not easily accessible, it may require professional or proper installation without costly damage to the home or building. We call our product the Watchful water warning, and it is not a new idea in that it is a water monitor, because there are several water monitors on the market which detect water usage and leaks to shut off water mains already. But the novel idea in our part is that the meter will be able to allow users to shut off individual water lines in an effort to be more environmentally conscious about water usefulness. The meter is a marketable item more to middle class or upper class homes that would like to reduce their water usage and be more environmentally conscious, such as going green. It should be a very useful meter, very easy to use. which it should have an LCD screen and an app, much like the other water meters, to be able to designate limits on a home or building's water supply.